Mom's love. Once upon a time, there lived a couple who had a son. The couple named him Mark. The couple were happy and raised their son in comfort, without making him feel the discomfort of life. The son got married and brought his wife home. The father became ill suddenly and passed away. The mother was left under the care of the son. Mark's wife became pregnant, and she begot a child. Mark's mother was happy to have become a grandma, but her happiness was short-lived. Mark wanted to move abroad, along with his family, and was puzzled as to what to do with his mother. Mark's wife gave him the idea to send the mother to an old age home, where she will be taken care of. The old lady was shifted to the old age home, where she had to spend the rest of her life. Mark used to call her once a week, and used to talk with her. Later he stopped calling her. Mark's mother waited every week for his call. One day she became seriously ill, and was in the last few hours of her life. She took a piece of paper, and wrote a letter, and asked her warden to give it to Mark, if he comes someday. One day, Mark came home from abroad, just to find his mother gone forever to eternal life. He was shocked when he came to know about that, and felt guilty that he didn't care about his mother. Later, he went to the old age home, where his mother lived and died. The warden of the old age home gave him the letter his mother wrote on her deathbed. Mark took the letter and started to read. The letter read, "Dear son, I am not going to curse you for not taking care of me. I will not be blaming you for putting me in this old age home. I know that you are not aware that I am going to die in some time, but I want you to promise me that you will do the things which I am going to tell you now. Do you know, there were times when I had to sleep without food here, the mattress was torn, and I had to lie on the ground for getting a comfortable sleep. The fans here have become very old and need to be replaced. Please, get these things fixed in this old age home where I am." You might be puzzled why this old lady, who is going to die, is telling all these things. Son, today I will be gone forever, but your son might send you to this old age home someday, and when you come you should not feel the discomfort. Your loving mom. Moral of the story is, a mother will always love her child, so take care of her.